Hey, welcome to Big Lou Barbecue and other things I want to do. And today it's another product review. Yeah, I bought it at the store. I saw it. I said, I got to try it. It's another Johnsonville product, taco meat. Yeah, original taco seasoned sausage, all right? You're supposed to put this in tacos. We're going to put it in breakfast burritos because that's how I roll. I don't follow the instructions, you know. We're going to make breakfast burritos on my Southwest disc, the Discada, said in English, El Disco in Spanish. It's 8:30 in the morning. Somebody's already mowing. You may hear them in the background. Anyway, we're going to try this out. I'd like to sample some of this Johnsonville stuff whenever they have it. I've tried the hatch green chili stuff, the firecracker stuff, the Cajun stuff, the chorizo stuff, you know, whatever they have. Anyway, they have this. Let's try it out. We'll make breakfast burritos on the Discada. The ingredients I'm not going to cook. The cheese. I've picked up the paste, which is going to go in all my burritos. And whichever one of these Mexican-ish style hot sauces I want to use. Yucateca stuff, the green is good at habanero. I also like the Tabasco Chipotle, made in Louisiana though, not, you know, Tapatio, Cholula, whatever I feel like. But it's, you know, it's 7 in the morning, so why not use the hot stuff, right? All right, displayed in the Discada now are the ingredients I am going to cook. A dozen eggs, that Johnsonville taco seasoned sausage, can of whole black beans. You could use mushrooms or hash browns or something else. But anyway, we're going to use some black beans, all right? Onions going to be chopped up. Anaheim pepper going to be diced up. And I'm behaving. Got the whole wheat tortillas. All right, it's been heating up. And first thing I'm going to do is throw in about that much lard. That's all we need for that can of beans. As the lard melts, I'm going to smear some of that grease all over the rest of this Discada to get the outsides done, you know. Be careful if you're wearing shorts like I am. Lord, have mercy, that hurt. Just popped myself. But anyway, just kind of want to get this on here just to add to the seasoning around the rim. Since that doesn't get as hot, that doesn't get as well seasoned as fast. As you can see, it's darker in the middle is where I use it. That doesn't mean it's not seasoned up here. It's carbon steel. It doesn't season as well as quickly as cast iron does. And carbon steel can also be a little splotchy as you complete the seasoning process on it. Anyway, that's what we got. Let's throw in the can of black beans. Just the whole thing. Juice and all. Get these refried up. And I'm not going to take them down to complete refried bean. I'm going to leave some of them somewhat intact, but it's going to be close, all right? Because that's how I roll. All right, while they cook up, we're going to add a little salt, pepper, garlic powder, and cumin, all right? And get that stirred in there. These are starting to get fried up. Turn in the refried beans. And I'll turn the camera back on when they're getting close, and that'll be the next thing you see. All right, these beans are starting to cream up and get to the consistency of refried beans. I'm gonna mash them a little bit here. Come on over here now. I didn't stir them a whole lot, but you stir them frequently, but you don't have to stir them constantly. And you can do this in a cast iron skillet. You can do this in I often make refried beans in a cast iron skillet. You can do this on one of those flat top griddle things, those gas powered flat top griddle things that everybody's enamored with nowadays, you know. It works well in this Discada. And if you want one of these Discadas, I'll leave the link to Southwest Disc down in the bottom in the show more section. I'm not sponsored by them. I bought this disc, and I just think that it's a fantastic item to cook with, and I think they make good ones at Southwest Disc. So anyway, check them out. I got nothing good but to say about them, you know. So it's a good thing. Now we'll take these refried beans and we're gonna push them up to the top, keep them from sliding around a little bit. All right, and I'm gonna add a little olive oil down here at the bottom. Come on, stay up there. Stay up there. If you got a flat top griddle, they'll stay where you put them, you know. This is Discada, they kind of want to slide down. Move, Chewy, you're gonna get burned, darling. That's my little doggy under here. I don't want her to get burned. She needs a grooming bad. Got one scheduled for next weekend. Throw in a little olive oil now, all right? Here are the peppers and onions, and I did add a little salt to them already. So they've been soaking in the salt about 10, 20 minutes now. So get those in there and get these onions frying up. And pepper, Anaheim pepper. All right, it may have been a good idea to start heating up these tortillas before I cooked everything, because these are burrito-sized tortillas, not the taco tortillas. And so they take up a lot of room on the disc. But anyway, I'm getting them heated up now. I'm gonna heat up half a dozen of them. Here's the first 3. Flip them over like that. And I'm gonna keep them warm. I don't have a tortillera that big, but I've got this cast iron Dutch oven, so I'm gonna keep them warm in this. And that one's about done, just like that. All right, I've been stirring these peppers around a little bit. They're about where I want them. I'm gonna push them up here too, to the side. Let them, they'll stay warm up there on the edges. And it doesn't matter if they get in with the beans, because we're gonna throw them all together in the burrito, right? So let these tortillas heat up, and we'll start in with the taco meat. All right, for the star of the show, let's try this out. Get that meat diaper off of there. Throw that away. And start griddling this up. All right, it seems to all be cooked through, or close to it. It's gonna continue to cook a little bit as we move it up to the side along here. Doesn't matter if it gets mixed in with the peppers a little bit, because guess what? It's going in a burrito. Yeah, you knew that already. Let's put in the eggs. There's a dozen scrambled eggs. I seasoned them a bit with salt and pepper. That's it. Let's get these going, and we'll be ready to assemble our burritos. It's okay if some of that taco seasoned meat grease gets in there. It's all going in the same place, right? All right. These eggs are done. They have some of that color from the sausage meat in there. I do want to tell you, you need to turn your fire down a little bit when you put the eggs in. If you got the fire as hot as you were cooking the meat, the eggs will stick a little bit. And they began to stick some, and I turned the fire down and got them cooked. But you can see they didn't stick too bad. That'll come up. All right, let's assemble a burrito. All right, I got some cheese and some paste medium picante sauce. I'm not gonna put the hot sauce on this first one because I wanna give you an accurate review of what this taco meat tastes like. And in fact, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and sample it right now. All right, that's pretty good. That's pretty darn good. I'll put some of that in the burrito. Put some of these eggs in the burrito, like that. All right, get some of your refried beans, like that. And get some of these, that pepper mixture. Oh yeah. Now, let's, I'm not doing this on a table, so I'm not rolling it properly, I guess, all right? Anyway, we get this just like that. Go ahead and roll that end up too. Some people do, some people don't. There we go. Breakfast burrito, baby. Yeah. All right, let's try this breakfast burrito with this Johnsonville taco meat. I tasted it, it's pretty good. Happy dance. I am gonna put some hot sauce on this. I had to chew. Hey, that's the first time using a whole wheat tortilla. That really isn't bad. I like it. That's a good breakfast burrito. Can y'all see inside there? Look at that. Look at that. Deliciousness right there. Hey, thanks for watching Big Lou Barbecue.